Hi my cuties! Today we're going to be devexing nearly 5,318,038 Robux into real life money. This video was hugely inspired by another content creator, but I noticed that a lot of people were skeptical about actually making this much Robux. I'm a small content creator, or helper, whatever you want to call it. Creators on Robux make a lot of money, so this 5,318,038 is a small amount compared to how much actual developers make. I'll be doing this on one of my second accounts because I would like to stay anonymous for now, but that'll probably change sometime soon. The other creator doesn't post that often and doesn't share his methods, so I want to make it known that I will. So if you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel, that would be amazing. Anyways, if you don't already know, Robux has this feature where you can convert Robux into real money. The Robux you can convert can be made through UGCs, game creation, and commissions. Commissions is going to be a big one. I'll show you guys in another video here in the future on how to build your portfolio and how to get your first few jobs to earn close to how much as I earn. So I do a lot of scripting and occasionally do some builds for different creators, which is the way I earn Robux. The only way that you can't convert your Robux is if you got it through selling a limited item. That doesn't mean that collecting limiteds are useless, as you can use that Robux to fund many different projects. I'll address more in the future, but for now I meet all the requirements. I'm 13, clearly I have more than 30,000 Robux, I have a verified email, and I'm complying with the terms. So we're just gonna hit cash out and move into the information tab. This part I'll have a lot blurred out because I don't want you guys to see my name and my email. So now this is the exciting part. Here we're going to type in the amount we want to convert, and I'm going to convert all of my Robux because mama needs some new nails. Ugh, I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. 5, 3, 1, 8, 0, 3, 8. And that will give me 18,113 and another 13 at the end. Wow, that's a lot of money. I'm probably going to be smart with my money and pay for my college or put it into my savings after I get some new clothes. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Cash out. And there we go. We have made around 18,000. I don't remember. So after this, Roblox is going to send me an email sometime soon, and I'll be entering my bank details and getting my money shortly. I hope you guys all enjoyed this small little video, and this video was made with the purpose of showing you guys that it is possible. I'm just another small developer showing you guys that it is possible, and I'll show you guys how, but for now, I'm waiting on my money.